Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable voice dial on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to tap on the settings icon. Then in here, we're going to go down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, we're going to put in the current passcode. And then you want to go down and tap on voice dial. And that's it. So once it is switched on, you can use Siri to make a voice call. So for example, you can say, "Hey Siri, call IT Jungles."
One option I see is Greyhounds WA.
"Hey Siri, call IT Jungles."
Calling it Jungles. Mobile.
So you can see here, I can call, make a phone call using Siri, and I do not need to put in the screen passcode. Now, if I were to switch it off, you can see here, if I switch it off and if I ask Siri to make a call, it will not allow me to do so. "Hey Siri, call IT Jungles."
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
You can see it will require me to unlock my phone before I can. So I need to unlock the screen first before I can actually make the call. So that is what the purpose of voice call is for. Thank you for watching.